Someone sets light to the first fire of autumn. We settle down to cut ourselves apart. Cough and twitch from the news on your face, and some foreign candle burning in your eye. Held to the past, too aware of the pending. Chill as the dawn breaks and finds us up for sale. Into the fog, another low road descending, away from the cold lust, your house and summertime. Blind to the last curse of the fair, pistols and countless eyes. Trail of white blood betrays the reckless route the craft is running. Feet to the sun turns into wood, dousing an ancient torch. Loiter the whole day through and lose yourself in lines dissecting love. Your name on my cast and my notes on your stay offer me little, but doting on a crime. We've turned every stone, and for all our invention in matters of love lost, with no recourse at all. Blind to the last curse of the fair, pistols and countless eyes.